Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox NailClip. And this is kind of an interesting little knife. The Victorinox NailClip is basically a Victorinox Classic. It has the little pin blade, it has the nail file. And it has the scissors like a normal Classic. Oh, that is interesting. I just noticed something that I did not realize, and it kind of felt weird in my hand. This is based on the Winger design. I kind of thought it. Well, you can tell because it's got the Winger scissors. Let me show you. It's also, I think it's longer. I think it's one of the 65mm instead of the 58mm versions. But we will see in 1 second. All right. So this is a Classic. So yes, it is one of the bigger ones. It's a 65mm. Instead of a 58mm one. Well, that is actually kind of surprising. This is one of the knives that kind of came across when Victorinox bought Winger. I did not know that. I was expecting it to be a normal 58mm size instead of 65. It felt weird in my hand because it just felt too big. Oh, the thing about the scissors. Let me show you real quick. And if you look at, and you'll see this on all of the Victorinox versus the Winger scissors, and also pliers while we're at it. You see the difference? The Victorinox version has the little metal spring here, while the Winger version has this little arm. And so that's the difference. And it's also 65mm versus 58. That is kind of interesting. Okay, so that's cool. I'll tell you what's sort of weird though. They have the Victorinox tweezers and toothpick, because the Winger ones are inward facing. Let me, hold on a second, I'll show you. This has, yeah, here we go. This one has them. This is an old Winger, well, this is a Winger Matterhorn. But as you can see right here, the Winger toothpick and tweezers, they face the little nubs, the studs, they face inside and they don't stick out. While the Victorinox ones, let me grab my knife. The Victorinox ones are all outward like this. So you have the tweezers. That's actually a pretty big pair of tweezers too. That is, hold on, do I have one? That's a big pair of tweezers. Alright, so you have tweezers and you have toothpick. Like normal. The thing about this that's different though is you get a pair of nail clippers. And the nail clippers are like so. And what you do is you flip this thing around and you get a pair of nail clippers. It's kind of cool. They look like they'd be pretty serious nail clippers too. Feels like a solid little knife. It's a little bit weird with this plastic part right here. You want to see this plastic part? It's a little odd. It's not too bad. Although, let me see when I close this up. I'm curious now. So if we close it up, okay. So if we close it up, it's pretty much almost flush right there. That's not too bad. This was a genuinely surprising knife. I was expecting it because I thought it was it was like a Victorinox redo of a Winger design. I wasn't expecting it to be the usual 65 millimeter version, like the Wingers. I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. What do y'all think? Was this a good idea or a bad idea? Or is this one of the weird Winger knives that's just too weird to be, like, I don't know. I like the nail clipper. Does seem like it would be a serious nail clipper, though. I just don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Oh, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. And, yeah. Anyway. If you have any ideas or suggestions or things you'd like me to check out, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.